dishwasher has a top cutlery drawer that can be adjusted for espresso cups and larger cutlery utensils. The middle drawer is best suited for side plates, mugs, cups and bowls, and is also adjustable to suit the height of your wine glasses and plates, giving you versatility. The bottom drawer is ideal for larger pots and pans and dinner plates, and has drop-down racks, giving you versatility depending on your dishes. Keeping your dishwasher clean is easy with the Machine Care program. Once selected, your dishwasher must be free of dishes and a standard cleaning detergent used. It leaves your dishwasher clean, free of grease and limescale. This dishwasher also comes with an aqua stop. It is connected to the water supply and gives you peace of mind that the dishwasher won't flood in your kitchen. If you're looking for an innovative dishwasher that gives you perfectly clean dishes while still looking after the environment, visit one of your nearest retailers or visit the Bosch website for more details.
Panasonic, introducing the future in dishwashers. The model NPTR8 is a high-performance dishwasher from Panasonic with superior washing efficiency that completely cleans dishes with oily residues. It has 3 outstanding features. High-temperature washing. It completely removes even stubborn oily residue hand washing cannot, since it can wash with hot water between 60 and 80 degrees Celsius. Furthermore, the interior stays clean, since it can rinse using 80-degree hot water. High washing power. The interior contains 4 water jets that deliver powerful sprays measuring around 2 meters long and provide complete washing coverage to every corner of the dishwasher. Compact yet high capacity. The 2 racks in the interior can accommodate both dishes and cooking utensils for an entire family, which makes cleaning up after a meal much easier. High temperature washing, high washing power, compact and high capacity. These 3 superior features completely remove oily residue simply and conveniently. Washing power that removes oily residue hand washing cannot. A high capacity that allows for washing kitchen utensils together with dishes. An all-in-one savior for your kitchen with high performance features. The NPTR8 dishwasher from Panasonic, the future of kitchens.